Battlefant, thank you for the follow. Appreciate that.
Hey, thanks, Battlefant. Appreciate that.
Loading back to being.
Damn,
Then yeeted
With a
himself.
four.
he just said nothing. That's great.
Clapping nibs, the only nib I see clapped is you. Yeah, Battlefant, that's pretty much accurate.
You are freaking adorable. Thank you for the follow.
So if I miss, the chicken's free. Ooh, that scared me. Batofont, thank you for the follow. I appreciate it.
Yes, that's who just followed me. Was Colonel?
Name it Bato. I could name it Bato. That's really cool. No Bato chicken? It will be Bato chicken. And the chicken for the mountain where you were. I'm lost. We'll find you. Don't worry. You're right next to me. You're just eating food next to me while I'm dead. Not you, the Bato.
Oh, the chicken. How do I? Oh shit.
Hover over.
I'm not that too fan. I'm not sure how to pronounce that. How to say that. But thank you so much for that follow.
Batofont, thanks for the follow, bro.
Clean the window.
Hey, can you say hi? Maybe we'll be on YouTube.
Hi. Wait, who?
Say hi, Battlefant. Thank you for following.
I cannot say that one. I know I can't.
Battlefant. Just say it. Say it. Here, I'll do it with you. Ready? Hi, Battlefant. Thank you for following. Ready? One, two, three. Hi, Battlefant. Thank you for following. She didn't say a single word. So thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you, Battlefant.
Battlefant?
Battlefant. It's
Oh,
right there, baby.
gosh.
Yeah.
Battlefant?
Yeah, you're welcome. Thanks for stopping by. Appreciate it.
I fix that. Batto, thank you so much for the follow. Welcome to the Down Under crew, mate.
Okay. Beeline.
Hey.
Ah.
So just goes toward or Relay Station 4 and
Battlefant.
6. He's 4 and 6 in the opposite
Thank you
direction
for
of
the follow.
6 was in the opposite direction. Thanks, Bato.
Hello, Bat. Thank you so much for the follow. Welcome to the Pumpkin Overlords. I hope you enjoy your stay, and also apologies for butchering your name. Welcome.
Recording studio. I got reactions to get. I got this YouTube game to get. I'm so boring. There it is.
Batofant. Who are you?
Who are you?
Is a server you're called in? I don't know. Thank you for the follow though, Battlefant. Rushing up palace. No
Did you just say Battlefant?
Radio a lot.
Yo, thank you for the follow.
Squeakies.
Oh. Hey, Battlefront. Thank you for following. I appreciate it.
There's 6K.